have to that one. You can use carrot later. Some chicken. But it's traditional. Like Thai, we have to use the small one, the small rice noodle. Mango, dry mango. And this one, this coconut. I told you before, the green coconut is the young coconut, the green one. And then turn to the brown one is older. For drinking, we drink early. Your teacher, he's a chef.
That is
Yes, no?
That smells like curry.
Yeah, it's not like curry.
Come on and
Yeah,
cook
we
with
use
me.
it in spa and aroma
That
oil. Yeah.
is your Sammy.
We do the bowl.
I wanna teach you
And for the other one, we do the basket.
we're gonna have a great
Now look happy that the first time.
Sometimes you think sometimes it's too dark. Too dark, it means too salty and too strong smell. And sugar. We put sugar in all dishes, but 1 teaspoon of sugar, the level spoon. 1 sugar, then 2 teaspoons of this sauce. Imagine again 1 teaspoon. 1, 2. Easy for you to remember. 1, 2, and 3. It's a little, yeah. And then add your noodle and mix all together. Okay. This 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Come on.
So 2 teaspoons and 3 teaspoons.
Okay, cool. Does it need to be vegetable? Have you done your one? Okay, are you done that?
Yeah.
That's great. Okay.
I wanna teach you how to
Family cooking fun. Okay.
You're gonna cook like a real time.
My little chef.
Okay. Yeah? So what way do you want to do it now?
It's a weird chili. A
Right?
very weird chili.
But red chili is not spicy. It's sweet. You can taste.
No, I just did it in the shape
Come
of a
on
chili.
and cook with me.
See what you think.
That is your Sammy.
It's like architect.
I wanna
This
teach
one
you
is just
how to
10 baht, 20 baht.
You're gonna have a
Game of
great
rice. Buy presentation.
You're gonna cook like a
Maybe you
real time.
Sauce. More sauce, more flavor.
That is your
That for Thai. Thai people like to eat sauce.
That is your Sammy.
Cool. Okay, time to eat.
And Francie, we have chili jam. Chili jam for your sauce. And no oyster sauce, use mushroom sauce. That's why if you cannot eat fish, we use this one to you. And then, what else?
Come on and
Spring
cook
roll,
with
step by step. Okay? Step by
That
step.
is
Hiya
your
salad. Okay,
Sammy.
now you can join with your friend. Scottish friend.
Come on and cook with me. That is your Sammy. I wanna teach you how to cook. We're gonna have a great time. You're gonna cook like a real time. That is your Sammy. That is your Sammy.